Clark Roofing believes that relationships with our clients go well beyond the sale. From the initial start of the project, Clark Roofing goes to work planning all deliveries, equipment, and the crew. This ensures that we are ready when the contractor is. At this point, we coordinate with the client to ensure everything is in place. Materials and equipment deliveries are scheduled to the hour and date, unloaded and adequately stored on site, and loaded on the roof to limit the space needed on a project site. Even before we show up to install the roof, we have already roofed the building in planning and staging and resolved any issues that may arise during construction. After completion, quality control final inspection. During any significant construction project, many different trades are involved, such as HVAC, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. A roof can be damaged during any construction phase, even after the roof is completed. As our roofs are being installed, our quality control team monitors every aspect of the installation, ensuring that every detail is followed to the letter. If damage occurs by others, we work quickly to repair and resolve the issues. At times, other trades are still working on the roof areas, even months after completing our scope of work. Full detailed inspection, punch list repairs, warranty inspections, final cleaning and touch-up, final walkthroughs of the entire roof system. As an additional protection measure, we return after everyone is finished. We take additional steps such as roof cleaning and another inspection to be sure that there is no damage or issues with the roof system. The best way to fully inspect a roof system is to ensure that all other trades have removed their extra materials, all trash and debris. A roof can only be fully inspected if everything is removed. This is why Clark Roofing returns to the site after all other trades have vacated the project and completed their work. We then start the cleaning process. We use a unique blend of chemicals that do not damage the roof membrane and are not harmful to the environment. We do not pressure wash the roof system. We mop it. This prevents damage by high pressure and allows our team to identify and resolve any damage that others may have caused during their work. Not only do we mop the entire roof once, we do it twice, one time left and right, the next phase up and down. This way, we can detect, mark, and repair any defects or damage that would have usually gone undetected until there was a leak. The mopping and roof flooding also allows for the first initial leak test. We offer detailed and accurate written proposal, efficient and on-time production schedules, and professional commercial roof system installations. Contact Clark Roofing today for your next commercial roof system evaluation and replacement. Call 254-374-4477 or visit us at clarkroofingtx.com.